The United States has a wide variety of food. People in the U.S. enjoy food from many different cultures, as well as traditional American dishes. Some popular American foods include hamburgers, hot dogs, and pizza. Many people enjoy these foods at restaurants or cook them at home. Hamburgers are often made with beef, lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese in a bun. Hot dogs are sausages in a long bread roll, usually with ketchup, mustard, or relish. The U.S. is also famous for its fried foods. Fried chicken, French fries, and onion rings are popular dishes, especially in fast food restaurants. Many Americans enjoy eating these foods with soda, like cola or lemonade. In addition to fast food, Americans also enjoy healthy options. Salads, fruits, vegetables, and grilled chicken are common in many meals. People in the U.S. also like foods like pasta, rice, and sandwiches. The U.S. has many popular desserts, too. Apple pie is a famous American dessert, often served with ice cream. Other favorites include chocolate chip cookies, brownies, and donuts. Ice cream is also very popular, and people enjoy many flavors. Because the U.S. is a big country, people in different states may have their own favorite foods. In the southern states, for example, people like foods like barbecue and biscuits. In the Northeast, seafood like lobster and clam chowder is popular. Overall, food in the U.S. is very diverse, and there is something for everyone to enjoy.